Okay, student. In this session, we have to learn about the evaporation. What is evaporation? Okay. The process of liquid change into the vapor even below its boiling point is called evaporation. Say the process of a liquid changing into vapor. See, vapor even below its boiling point, even below its boiling point is called evaporation. Okay. See, we have to see the evaporation. See, it's below its boiling point. We are calling the evaporation. In day-to-day, we are activities. So it is a number of is a process is there. See, practically we have to see the evaporation is occurring. See, rainy season. In the rainy season, of plenty of rains. It is a totally it is a water fill. See, it is a beside the road. See, roadside. We have to see the what will happen now. Now we have to see today. See what will happen. Totally water is a evaporate. See, puddles is a totally filled on the road. See what will happen. The water is a evaporate. See, it is a next day. See, is there water? No. It is a evaporation process is a occurring. See, whatever be the temperature at which evaporation takes place, the latent heat of evaporation must be supplied. See, whatever liquid changes into vapor, latent heat. See, we already learned latent heat. See, before giving to the injection, doctor is applying the which one? Spirit. And what will happen? The spirit is a evaporate rapidly. See, we feel a cool. See, this line evaporation process is a occurring. Our body also, it is a sweating. Because of it is a more heat is there. See, now this temperature is a 30. See, 35. See, it is a below our body temperature. But we are getting the more heat and see plenty of it is a sweating also occurring. See, removing of the water, see minerals along with the minerals. So it is a removing. See, factor affecting the evaporation. We have to learn about factors affecting the evaporation. Which factor is affecting? We have to learn one by one. Which factor is affecting? First one is a temperature. First one is a temperature. Okay. Factor affecting evaporation. See, which factor is affecting to causing the evaporation? See, motivating to the evaporation. See, first one is the temperature. First one is a temperature. See, temperature first one. See, what is the rate of temperature increasing? See, on increasing the temperature of liquid. See, a rate of temperature increasing. A rate of temperature increases. What's it? On increasing the temperature of rate of evaporation. evaporation increases on, see, increasing the temperature, increasing the temperature. See what said here, if a temperature is a, see, evaporation rate is a increasing, means is a temperature is a increasing here. See, we have to see the in last week in our area it is a plenty of rain. See what will happen, see, it is a totally moistureness is there. See, for example, we have to see the kinetic energy. If a temperature is increasing, the kinetic energy is generating in that substances. For example, we are keeping the harvested crop for, it is a what do you call it, say, drying for. See, there is no temperature. What will happen? Plenty of moisture is present in that grains. If a heat is there, temperature is there, what will happen? Plenty of moisture will be reducing. See, if a temperature, it is a moistureness is a reducing in that grain, what will happen? The grains cannot damage. Okay, next we have to see the next one is a surface area of the liquid. Surface area of the liquid. Surface area. See, in our day-to-day activity, say we are drinking this like milk, sipping the milk. While sipping the milk, see, it is a cup is there, saucer is there. See, with the help of cup, we are sipping. It will be take the more time because their surface area is a small. Their surface area is a small. This is a cup. Okay, see, this one is a cup. And see, it will be take the more time to sipping this milk. Next we have to take the saucer. See, this one is a saucer is there. In the saucer, see, we are adding to this milk. Because the saucer surface area is a more is there. Say, in less time is there required to, say, remove the evaporation, remove the see, it will be cooling for it is required the very less time. See, compared to the cup and saucer. See, this like we have to see the we are after harvesting the crop. See, grains is a bringing, and see, if you take a small distance, this much distance we are adding to these grains. See, it will be take the more time to removing the moistureness from that grain. See, if you add to a large surface area to these grains, see, it will be required the very less amount. See, we have to see the rate of evaporation increasing the surface area of the liquid. सरफेस एरिया का लिक्विड ज़्यादा रहने से क्या होता है, सी, इट विल बी कूल वेरी क्विकली. देखो, अपन जो फूड सब्सटेंसेस है लाइक राइस ले, राइस छोटे प्लेट में खाना है तो उसको जो कूल होने के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. वही राइस और जो बड़े प्लेट में लिए तो क्या होता है, इट इज ए increasing the surface area, its evaporation is rapidly, so it will be cool a very less time, within a less time. Next we have to see the rate of evaporation of liquid can be increased by increasing the surface area of the liquid. See, is it clear? Now we have to go to the humidity of air. Third one, humidity of the air. Humidity. See what will happen? Humidity means the amount of water vapor. See, amount of water vapor is present in the air is evaporated by see term called humidity. देखो सुबह सुबह क्या रहता है, ह्यूमिडिटी ज़्यादा रहती है. सी वी फील कूल. लास्ट वीक रेन हो रहा था, ज़्यादा रेनिंग. सी वी फील कूल. सी बिकॉज ऑफ see water vapor is present in our atmosphere, in our air. See, when the humidity of air is low, then the rate of evaporation is, see, it is a evaporation is high and water evaporate more rapidly. जब ह्यूमिडिटी कम रहती है वाटर वेपर ज़्यादा होता है. ओके जब ह्यूमिडिटी ज़्यादा रहती है वाटर वेपर कम होता है. ओके इज इट क्लियर? व्हेन द ह्यूमिडिटी ऑफ एयर इज हाई, सी नेक्स्ट द रेट ऑफ इवापोरेशन इज ए स्लो. रेट ऑफ इवापोरेशन इज ए स्लो. सी दिस इज ए process of the humidity. Process of humidity. Next we have to see the wind speed. Wind speed. Fourth one, wind speed. What is wind speed? See, the rate of evaporation of the liquid increases, and see, with increasing the speed. See, wind speed is a more is there. See what will happen? Evaporation of water is a more. Okay, wind speed is there, more wind speed. If a wind is there, we have to see the, in last week in our area plenty of rainings. On the road it is a puddles is there. See this like puddles. See what will happen in the puddles is a water is a stored. Water is a stored. What will happen? See wind is a carrying along with see this like wind is a carrying the these water particles. See it will be rapidly evaporation, rapidly evaporating the water. See we have to see the see so we have to see some examples we have to take at our home. See our mother is washing the clothes and keeping the drying, but the day is a humidity is more in that in our air. See is the clothes is a drying? No. See our mother is a keeping the drying for these clothes in under the fan, under the fan, because see there is a wind speed is a more is there. That's why it is a rapidly water is a evaporating. Water is a evaporating. Is it clear? See this like wind speed also is there. Totally 4 factors is there. Evaporation, the process of a liquid changing into vapor even below its boiling point is called evaporation. See factor affecting the evaporation. First one is the temperature, surface area, humidity and wind speed. See this is about the evaporation.